Central bed motors. Motor's out. Looks a lot cleaner. The helper. That's what it used to look like. All this here, like everywhere. It's not done cleaning yet. Still gotta clean everything else up. These little holes, everything else. Put a new steering link in, so now straight. Cuck. Sorry about that. I put my hand on that greasy shaft. Anyways, I'm on the verge of taking out this gas tank, wiring, everything. I said everything's coming off. It's just gonna be a bare frame. I just put that on. Well, not that, but this. I don't know if that's straight, if that's or what happened there. Straight. Oh yeah, should be good. Looks good-ish. They'll tow it out, but should be normal. And yeah, so stay tuned for this update. So I finished taking this off. Got it lowered, but it's just, I don't know. That's gonna be off soon. Yeah, it's getting there, slowly but surely. Oh yeah, also I picked up this today. 30 bucks. I get deals at the pawn shop here where I live, so shout out to them. And a little air nailer for like 40 bucks or something. Regular price was $60. I think he said 30 or 40 for it. So it's not too bad for that. There's a couple of, oh, freaking stupid thing. A couple little knickknacks I picked up today. Thought I'd go out and do that for myself. Ouch, spins nice. I don't know what.
Move with that.
Yeah, they move together. So when you're done here, you can go here, or you can go here to there, whatever you choose.
Whatever you choose.
Still minus 30 outside, so that sucks. Anyways, I'm gonna get back to this. Stay tuned for that. Another quick update again. Got all this off now. It's a nice belt I found down here. That's good for like another 5 runs, eh? I think 5 or so runs, and maybe a couple seasons. Yeah, it's a mess. But this clutch system, I kind of like it better because it's back behind the rear transaxle. It's not by the engine pulley, so you can go bigger, way big in the front now, which is kind of cool. And my wiring is right here from it. All this jazz. Cuck. All down here. Yeah, I don't know what the hell they were thinking of taping wires and something like that. I don't know. It's all there. And then just in the process of finishing this deck. And I'm thinking about leaving this on for my boost cable. In case I don't have full throttle, I'll pull this back for extra throttle right to the governor. So then we'll leave that on there. I don't know, see what happens for that. And the shifter linkage setup is weird. It goes from here, across, here, down, and it goes that way. down to here, and then it goes from there down to this rod, back, and focus, you stupid thing. Oh yeah, there we go. That bolt right there. That's where it goes to. Yeah, so stay tuned for this. I should have this off tonight. Rear end will be out. And then I'll get underneath and clean up down there. This is the rear end I picked up. Let's clean this off here. I don't know if it's a good one, but see what happens. Yeah. Yeah, it's a little dirty, but give it a quick clean and should be good. Of course, every damn freaking tires they got are always flat. Junk. Anyways, yeah, stay tuned for this update later tonight after supper. I'm gonna go eat supper now.